Hello students, hope you are doing well. In the last class, we have seen how to find the root of an equation by Newton-Raphson method. Today we will be seeing another method known as Regular-Falsi method or method of false position. Okay, the basic difference is in Newton-Raphson method, the tangents are helping us to move close to the root. Here, instead of tangent, chord is helping us to reach the destination. That means to find the root of the equation. Fine. So let's see what is this method all about. So here I have drawn an arbitrary curve, an arbitrary function, this one, from A to B. Okay. So the coordinate of A I have written as A and the corresponding function, that means this y value, is Fa. And for B, similarly B and Fb. In some book, you will find that they will write A as x0, Fa as fx0, right? This is the first point. And this one to be x1 and fx1. Fine. Now, basically what we are doing, this is your curve, this one. What we are doing is, we are approximating this curve by a chord from A to B. Okay, this chord will pass and will touch the x-axis at the point C. So this C will be your new point of starting. Okay, that means what we have done is, we have chosen an FA, chosen A and B, in A as in the positive part, B in the negative part. Not B, FB as negative, and we have chosen FA as positive. Okay. So your first point is to solve, is to choose an A such that its corresponding FA is positive and B such that FB is negative, or you can do vice versa, no problem. Fine. Now see, so we are approximating this curve by a chord, and this will meet the x-axis at the point C. Fine. So we know that the equation of a straight line is given by this one, y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, x minus x1. That means that's equation of a straight line joining 2 points. That means x1 y1, x2 y2. Fine. In this way you have learned how to find the equation of a straight line from your higher school mathematics. Fine. So now see, here y1 is, what is y1? y1 is here Fa, because we want to start from here to here. Okay. So y1 is Fa and y2 is here Fb. Fine. Now just put this value in this equation. Just put these values in this equation. Your A, what is your x2? x2 is Fb, x2 is B, and x1 is A. Fine. So if I write it, what will come? Y minus Fa equal to Fb minus Fa by B minus A into x minus A. Fine. Just put these values in this equation. Fine. Now see, this equation, this chord is touching the y-axis at the point C. So at this point, what is the value of y? It is 0 basically, right? This is the origin. So at x is equal to C, that means this is C is basically my new approximated value. Okay. It is at x equal to C, y is equal to 0. Now put y is equal to 0 in this equation. What will come? So this part will be 0 and other things will remain the same. Fine. Now if you can do some mathematical adjustments, then you can find C. Okay. So in this case, I put this B minus A in this here. I moved this B minus A here, and I moved FB minus FA in the denominator, and then I move this A in the left hand side. Okay, then if you solve this, you will get this. And then if you take the LCM, the ultimate, this will come. And this part, this one, this term and this term will cancel out. So ultimately, this will be your final equation. Okay, this will give the value of C. Fine. Then what you can do is, so this point is C. Now check the value of the function at the point C. So if you draw a line, see it is in the here FC. Basically FC is basically negative. So if FC is negative, then what we will do? We will again draw a line from A to C. A to this point. A to this point. That means first time the chord was from A to B, now from A to suppose a new point. Okay, so the chord is shifted, and then again you repeat the same process, you will get the point E. So that means again you draw a chord, that means the chord is getting shifted from here to here to here, then ultimately this is your root point, this is your final destination, right? So at this point your function should have a value 0. So in this way, the chords, with the help of the chord, we are reaching the destination. So chord is basically like a stick of an old man, helping him to move forward to his destination. Okay. So what is our destination? Our destination here is to find the root of an equation. Fine. So basically, one thing you need to remember, that means my first range was A to B, first range. Then I have found out the new value of C. Then depending on the function value at C, whether it is positive or negative, since here it is negative, so I have shifted the point. So my new range is A to this. A to this. So I will discuss this one in the next video, that how it is depending on the function of C, how the range is getting changed. Okay, I will show that. I will write that in the next video. I will show you how to solve in the next video. This is the basic concept behind the method of false position. It is regular-Falsi method. Simple. The chord, we are drawing some chords, approximating the curve by some chords, and with the help of the chords we are reaching the destination, that is to find out the root of an equation. Fine. Okay. Stay safe. Thank you.